Welcome to my channel, Online Kids Learning.
Today we will learn about action verb. Stand up. Stand up. Sit down. Sit down. Bend. Bend. Give. Give. Write. Write. Brush. Brush. Cry. Cry. Sleep. Sleep. Drink. Drink. Swim. Swim. Run. Run. Walk. Walk. Jump. Jump. Read. Read. Wash. Wash. Laugh. Laugh. Eat. Eat. Sad. Sad. Happy. Happy. Angry. Angry. Bath. Bath. Watch. Watch. Quite. Quite. Noisy. Noisy. Turn off. Turn off. Turn on. Turn on. Close. Close. Open. Open. Kick. Kick. Climb. Climb. Throw. Throw. Draw. Draw. Fight. Fight. Shake hands. Shake hands. See. See. Clean. Clean.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe now